darlings, today we are going to research some money matters. So for the warm-up, do you think Texas high schools should require every student to prepare for college? And then why or why not? Go ahead and copy these in your notes. So a mutual fund is where you pay a professional to buy and sell stocks for you. And since you're paying a professional, they're going to charge you 3%. Or you can use an index fund and buy the entire index through a computer. And since you're not having to pay somebody, you're just having to pay for the computer, it's 0.3%. And we're going to examine the difference between those two and how that helps you grow your money. So copy these two in your notes right now. Next, on our lesson, you are going to watch this video and then come back when you're done and answer the next few questions. All right, awesome. Now we're going to take a look and compare. So here we have some advertisements over here, but if we invest $10,000 and the average for the stock market is a return of about 7 to 11%, so we'll just kind of, put that on the low end. And let's say the operating expenses are 3%. All right, so if we have this in here for the next 6 years, okay, so we put $10,000 into the stock market for 6 years. So you're from 6th grade to 12th grade, because then you're going to need it, right? And they're going to charge you 3% in operating expenses. So at the end, you're going to have $12,501. Write that down. And think about what kind of fund is going to charge you 3%. Then let's change this to 0.3%. And watch that number down there. So think about what kind of fund only charges you 0.3%, and look at the total. So write down this number, and we have a couple of questions to answer about that. So this is what we just did. All right, so next on the computer, you're going to Google Reality Check Texas, and you're going to start your reality check. It's going to be a green button. So you go to Google and type Reality Check Texas, and it's really just the first one here. And you're going to go ahead and start your reality check right here. And you're going to go through these, and even if you don't want to live in Texas, just go ahead and pick a city and go through and answer all of these questions. And then come back to your Ed puzzle, and you're going to write a reflection. All right. So with money especially, you may not even understand what you don't understand. Then we got Terry Crews. All right, next, go ahead and watch this video and come back for a couple more questions. We're almost done. All right, I wanted you to take a look at some of these examples. So you are going to be doing some awesome shading. And so look at some different ways to make things look three-dimensional. You can do some hashing. You can blend colors. All right, all sorts of cool things. So we're not going to color today, but I just wanted to show you some different strategies of what we might be aiming for. So it was an awesome video that we just watched. So make sure today I want you to shade your picture in some unique ways. And if you need to shade with a little bit of color, that's fine, but we're not doing all of the coloring today. So have fun with your picture and make it creative. Have a great day.